Stuck with undelivered messages? Let's get your iPhone text sending again. First, ensure you have a stable network connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on and try toggling it off and then back on. If you're relying on cellular data, check that it's enabled in settings. Then Cellular also. Confirm you have a strong cellular signal. If you're in an area with poor reception, try moving to a different location. Now, let's check your iMessage settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Messages. Make sure iMessage is toggled on. If it's already on, try turning it off, waiting a few seconds, and then turning it back on while you're here. Tap on Send and Receive. Ensure your phone number and Apple ID are listed and check to send and receive messages. Sometimes, a network settings glitch can cause this. Go back to the main settings menu, then tap on General, scroll down to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and then select Reset Network Settings. This will reset all your Wi-Fi passwords, cellular settings, VPN, and APN settings. You'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks afterward, but it often resolves connectivity issues. After performing these steps, try sending another message. If the issue persists, contact your cellular carrier to ensure there are no account issues or service interruptions on there, and that might be preventing your messages from sending. And that's how you fix undelivered messages on your iPhone. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.